most of the data, 80% of all web traffic is happening on social media platforms. And that is publicly available to the models to train on. So
Mhm.
largely what we're seeing, which is very different for SEO, it used to be you get a backlink. Is it a do follow link? Is it someone else's web page of authority? Well, now it's like, hey, is it also mentioned on, X or Facebook? And what's the engagement with it? Is, somebody very famous engaging with it and getting lots of likes and follows? That is now informing because it's got lots of comments under the post, and that's all data that's training. And now we have live search happening. And it's also searching what's happening on social media. I mean, one of the most easy acquisitions you ever saw was X buying XAI because of
Right.
the training data, right? I mean, it was going to happen anyway because it's the same founder, but the idea is that the only way Grok's going to be competitive if it has that training data to make it more competitive, and so that's what people are looking for. So I forget what the original question is, but like the collision of SEO or what we call AI SEO,
Mhm.
AISOGEO. It doesn't really matter. No one really has figured out a term, but it's colliding with social. And so what social's always been really good at is getting likes, follows, engagement. But what they haven't been thinking about is maybe keywords, key conversations. And so our worlds are colliding. So I'm always looking to, that's just an area we haven't been that comfortable in that we're pushing into hard. So as the paid people are coming into my space, I'm going into the social people space. So it's a weird shift for agencies for sure, and probably chief marketing officers are probably trying to figure out what this all means for their budget.
Oh, I guarantee. And it's still so new. We're trying to figure out how the world of AI and SEO and organic and paid and it's all coming together.